Hello my dear students. Now we will start the watercolor paintings. Before starting my tutorial, I want to introduce the watercolors, brushes and what kind of paper can be watercolor paintings. So here I'm just showing you. You can see this is artist watercolor. Different kind of shades you can get, and the best company is Camlin as always. And here this is artist watercolor. Generally it is not available in the market. When you buy just students watercolor, but there is a difference between the quality of artist watercolor and students watercolor. These colors are very vibrant and very glossy, and the students watercolor, that is not too much good quality wise, and the effect of students color comes always very light and dull. And here brushes, especially for watercolor we use the round brushes. For apply the water we use the flat brush like this. Flat brushes we use for applying the water, and for giving the details we use the brushes, round brushes. Okay, and you should buy 0 number, 004, and especially you have to buy only the synthetic brush, not the pony hair brushes, because pony hair brushes is not good for watercolor paintings. The appropriate thing for making watercolor paintings is only the synthetic brushes. The synthetic brushes, it is written here, when you buy, you to shopkeeper for buying only synthetic, not pony hair. If he gives you the pony hair, so don't buy that thing. After that, watercolor paintings, the paper, that is very different kind of paper. Actually the cotton is mixed up in this paper. When you pour water on this, the garbage from this does not come out. Okay, whatever color you are using, but this is especially made up for watercolor. There are many companies which are making like this. Brushstroke company is also, and the best quality is 300 GSM. It is available in A4 size, A3 size, and mini pack also like this. Okay, and this is important. Later on we will learn that how we can make the watercolor, how we can apply the color. A special thing in watercolor paintings you have to remember, always it starts from light to dark. In other paintings like oil color, acrylic color and poster color, we start from the dark color and ends on light tone or the highlights. But in watercolor there is only the special difference. In watercolor only we start from the light and ends on dark. This is the special quality. And one thing is also in watercolor painting that we have to always remember, there is no margin for error. If there is something wrong in watercolor painting, so there is no margin for reforming that thing. There is no space. You cannot reform the painting which is wrong, which has been done wrongly, so you cannot reform that thing. But in other paintings like acrylic, like poster, like oil color, suppose your work is not okay, if there is some shortcoming, so you can change that thing. Later on you can change. But in watercolor painting, if you have done wrong, so there is no alter. Okay, so now we will start the first chapter of watercolor, and I hope you will enjoy that thing. Thank you.